In this video, I want to take you through a step-by-step process of creating an account on Substack platform using your mobile app. So for this, we shall use the Substack app to create an account. Substack is one of the best platforms that you can use to create newsletters and also make publications of any of your social media posts. If this video will help, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and install Substack app on your Android smartphone or iPhone. And once the app has been installed, go ahead and tap on it to launch the app. From here, you need to go ahead and sign up for free by either using your email or you can use your Google account. So for my case, I'll sign up and I'll do this with my email. So if you tap on sign up, here you need to enter your email and then tap on continue. So you need to do this if you are new, you are creating your account for the first time. Then proceed and enter your full name. So I'll enter the name that I wish to use for my profile and then tap on next. And finally, we have our username. You can modify it the way you wish. I'll leave it as it is, a minute with AI, and then tap on next. Choose how you want to receive posts. You can receive them either by in email and app, smart notifications, and then only emails. So I'll leave it to in email and app and then tap on continue. Here now you need to verify your phone number. So if you enter your phone number, you'll need to verify it, but the good thing you can do this later, so I'll just skip this. Now you need to go ahead and choose your interests, choose some of the categories that you wish to see related content, and then go ahead and tap on continue. So for that, you can choose as many as you wish. Finally, you can customize your experience here by adding any of these. So you can subscribe to any of these and you'll be receiving their newsletters. You can see amongst your category, we have quite a number of creators that will send you their professional newsletters straight to your email. So choose any that you wish by just tapping on the plus and then go ahead and tap on subscribe to and continue. And once you do this, now you can see you are done. Now, as you can see at this point, our account is ready. And now you can start creating your content. So that's how you can create an account or set up an account on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.